Yo, CJ, big homie. Good to see you, bro.
What up, home?
It's been a minute.
What up, CJ?
Good.
You know, shit's been getting real crazy since you've been gone, man.
I heard.
Damn straight.
Feds are probably watching us right now. Literally right now, CJ, right now.
You know, it's good to be back, you know, home. Changed though, Nick. Looking like a real OG right about now.
Homie, you know how I get down. Day one. Anyway, we better be up. You drive, CJ. My hands really messed up.
Yeah,
Let's
go.
go.
CJ, let's go.
We gotta be hitting up some strip clubs while you're here, CJ. I'm telling you, man, these hoes are crazy, man. You're gonna love them. They're crazy.
Damn straight. CJ, you gotta see these big ass titties, homie. You gotta see them. Turn up, man.
Niggas, these ain't changed. So where we going, home?
We gotta be getting you some colors, CJ. You need to be repping yourself while you're here, brother.
I told you, I'm done with that life.
That's what they all say, CJ. That's what they all say, man. Anyway, pull up. Pull up for this drive-through, man. I'm hungry, real hungry, man.
Damn straight. You give me a big ass burger, you give me some big ass titties. I tell you.
Let's go, CJ.
Alright, niggas. What you want?
I had two number 9s,
Two number 9s.
a number 9 large, a number 6 with extra dip, a number 7, two number 45s, one with cheese, and a large soda.
Yo, this is the spot, CJ. This is the spot I've been telling you about, man. A couple of local gangbangers have been coming into our turf and selling crack, man. You gotta be taking care of them now, CJ.
Alright, cool. Want me to take care of all these motherfuckers?
All of these motherfuckers, CJ. You know what to do.
Alright, cool, man.
You know what to do.
So fuck them up, CJ.
Don't worry about it.
Grove Street.
Grove Street, motherfucker.
Shit, Grove Street. This is the spot, CJ. This is the spot I've been telling you about, man. A couple of local gangbangers have been coming into our turf and selling...